Hi everyone, this is Param. Welcome to Learn with me. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, we will discuss some daily useful English sentences and phrases which you can use in your daily conversation. I hope this video will be useful to you. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे या फिर लोग कुछ तो कहेंगे. People will say something. People will say something. मुझे पता है कि उसे कैसे मनाना है. I know how to convince him. I know how to convince him. लोगों को कहने दो. Let the people say. Let the people say. तो इंतज़ार किस बात का है? So what are you waiting for? So what are you waiting for? वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं है. It's not worthwhile to go there. It's not worthwhile to go there. वो तो तुम्हारा साथ देगा ही. He will obviously support you. He will obviously support you. वो तो वहाँ जाएगा ही. He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. ये मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. काश मैं आपसे मिल पाता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. अपने दिल को कैसे समझाऊं? How do I convince my heart? How do I convince my heart? या फिर How shall I convince my heart? How shall I convince my heart? क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो? What if he breaks your heart? What if he breaks your heart? वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका ना दे. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. मुझे गाने का शौक है या फिर मैं गाने का शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of singing. I am fond of singing. वो एक आध दिन में आएगा. He will come in a day or so. He will come in a day or so. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. हमारे पास बहुत समय है. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार. I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है. We are not in speaking terms. We are not in speaking terms. काश तुम मेरे होते. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. मेरे पीछे रहो या फिर मेरे पीछे ही रहना. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. ये कमर तोड़ देने वाला काम है. This is a back paining work. This is a back paining work. ये बिल्डिंग है या फिर इसी सेंटेंस को कई बार हम ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं ये बिल्डिंग है या फिर कुछ और. Is it a building or what? Is it a building or what? वो कुछ भी बोल देता है मतलब बिना सोचे समझे कभी भी कुछ भी बोल देता है. He has a loose tongue. He has a loose tongue. मेरी तरफ से प्लीज़ माफ़ी मांग लेना या फिर प्लीज़ मेरी तरफ से भी माफ़ी मांग लेना. Please apologize on my behalf. Please apologize on my behalf. मैं अपना समय काट रहा हूँ. I am passing my time. I am passing my time. अगर वो तुमसे बात ना करे तो What if he doesn't talk to you? What if he doesn't talk to you? ये कपड़े छोटे हो गए हैं. These clothes are worn out. These clothes are worn out. उसे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाओ. Feed him bit by bit. Feed him bit by bit. होनी को कौन टाल सकता है? Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny? तुम मेरे आगे नहीं टिक सकते, मतलब मुझसे मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते। यू कैन स्टैंड अगेंस्ट मी। यू कैन स्टैंड अगेंस्ट मी या फिर यू कैन नॉट स्टैंड अगेंस्ट मी। आज मैं किसी तरह बच गया। I somehow escaped today. I somehow escaped today. मैं आज वहां जाने वाला हूँ। I am supposed to go there today. I am supposed to go there today. काश उसे मेरे दुख का एहसास होता। I wish he had the feel of my pain. I wish he had the feel of my pain. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to cry? What's there to cry? मुझे फिर कभी फ़ोन मत करना। Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है। I don't know why he is doing it. I don't know why he is doing it. चाहे जो हो हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे। Come what may, we will not do so. Come what may, we will not do so. वो आसपास नहीं दिख रहा है। He is not seen around. He is not seen around. वो भी क्या दिन थे, कसम से। How beautiful the days were, really. How beautiful the days were, really. So friends, these were the 30 phrases and sentences which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you in new video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.